Hey guys, what is up? Today I'll be teaching how to make Pong game part 3. Alright guys, before this video starts, be sure to like and subscribe. So, in part 3, we want to be able to make a score for the player. So, what we'll do is first let's make the player score. So, I'm going to go into the ball and make a variable called the player score. And then once you have that done, then you want to set your player score to 0. And then when we want the player score to change, we want it to basically pass the AI player and then go back to the 0, 0 and change the score by 1. So I'm going to first show this score by putting it here. And I'll put this variable like right here probably. And then here I'm going to say another when green flag clicked forever if your X position of ball X position is greater than what 237, I guess, then we want to change your player score by 1 and then go to X 0, 0. So now, as you can see, when I start the game, it's not working. You can see. So I'm pretty sure the X position is not far enough. So let's try 221 probably. Let's see how that goes. So obviously the player doesn't do anything, but let's see how the AI goes. Let me try again. Okay, that was a good one. Come on, ball. This AI is really good. I should probably make it like not do that. So yeah, you can see that it's changed score by 1. So now we just need to do the same thing for our player. So what you want to do is create another variable called AI score and for all sprites. And then I'm going to do the same thing. So let's do that. To make it less confusing, I'm going to go to the backdrop and add like a white line in the middle. So if I can get a light line. So like that. And then I'm going to make it bigger. And then make the thing go up more. So yeah, I've added a white line. Now it's less confusing that which one is player and which one's AI. Let me also move this to the middle like this. And then to create our AI score or changing the AI score, we need to do the same thing. So duplicate this and I'll put a less sign. So let me actually just take this here and put negative 220. Now I know this might not work because if the ball doesn't go too far. Okay, now it works. So it works. Never mind. So yeah. So that was a tutorial on how to add player and AI score in Scratch. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.